Hi, grade 2. This video for grade 2 Qatari syllabus. But before I will go to our video today, I would like to say don't forget to make, share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. As we told you before that this video for Qatari syllabus, grade 2 first term. Okay. In this book, we have characters. Let's go to know the characters of our book. Here is we have Ali, Hassan, Noura, and Aisha. Okay, this is the heroes or the characters of our book. Let's go to read the first unit in your book. The first unit in your book, it will be welcome to school, means welcome back to our school. Okay, in this video, in this lesson, we learn some vocab here. Let's learn it together. Here is we have Qatar, written like this: Qatar, school, spill. Spill means spill. Say what is the meaning of spill? Means to say the letters of the word. Like we say, when we say Iman, for example, Iman, I can tell you my name is Iman, for example. So I would like to spell this name. What can I spell? I spell this name. It will be E dash M dash A and N. This is called spill. Okay, this is the meaning of spill. And we have the noun of the noun of spill. It will be spelling. Okay, this we have a noun of spill. It will be spelling. Let's continue the rest of the words here in this unit. Okay, here we have open your book, close your book. This is the important word that we learned here in this part. Open your book and close your book. This point. Here we have point. I will repeat again. Point, close your book, open your book, spill, school, and Qatar. Now we know how many words here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 words today. We must keep it. Qatar, school, spill, open your book, close your book, and point. Here is back to school. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here is close your book and come with me. Spell your name and take your pen. Let's go learn something new. Back to school we go again. So I will repeat and repeat after me. Close your book and come with me. Spell your name and take your pen. Let's go learn something new. Back to school. Let's know the conversation and know what the conversation is talking about. Here is we took in grade 1. We took the gradings, which is saying hello and hi. Here is this boy saying hello. I'm Omar. So Omar introducing himself to what? To sleep. To sleep. Omar introducing himself to sleep. So hello, I'm Omar. What's your name? What's your name? Hi, my name is Slim. So Slim replying Omar that and saying my name is Slim. Where do you live? So here when we ask with where, I ask about what? I ask about place. Okay, we know the WH question and where to ask about place here. Okay. If you want to know the keyword questions and the meaning and when we use this WH question and ask about what, I have a video about WH question and every word refers to what. Okay, you can return to the video and revise what I told in this video. Okay, here is where do you live? So here I ask about the place. I live in Qatar. Here is the country that we live here. You live in Qatar. Here is how old are you? Here I ask about age. Here I ask about age. So the answer it will be I'm 7 years old. I'm 9 years old. I'm 10 years old. I'm any years old. Okay, I say the number of my age. Okay, some of you saying, Miss Iman, can you write the age in numbers or in letters? We are learning English, so we must write the age in letters, not in number. When we write this in number, I write it in what? In mathematics, because mathematics trade with numbers, but English trade with letters and sentence and words. So we must write the age like this. 7 years old, not write 7 like this. Okay, write 7 like this. Okay, 7. Or say when I am 10 years old, I write 10 like this. Okay, not 10 like this. Okay, 10 like this, I write it in what? In mathematics. In mathematics only. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the lesson. Here we have, fill your name. My name is Slim, written like this. Let's go to another one. Here we have another new word. So here we know, I will revise the words that learned here. Qatar, school. Here we have Qatar, school, spell. Here is Qatar, school, spell. Open your book, close your book, and point. Let's go to another one here. Here we have another word, whiteboard. This is whiteboard. This is computer, ruler, pencil case, and sharpener. Whiteboard, computer, ruler, pencil case, and sharpener. Let's read the dialogue and know more about this. The boys are in the classroom. This is the boys here in the classroom, and they describe everything in the classroom. This is my classroom. Wow, it's big. What is this? So here, when we talk about this, I talk about what? When I talk about this is called singular near. Singular near. Okay. When we ask about singular far, I use what? When we talk about singular far, I use what? Singular far. I use that. Okay. I use that. That to describe something is singular far. Here is so that I use it for singular far, but this I use it for singular near. This is the difference between that and this. Okay, let's continue the rest of our lesson. What is this? This is my pencil case. Oh, a pencil case, a wrapper, a sharpener, and a ruler. Wrapper have another meaning. It's called eraser. I would like to know the next another name of a wrapper. It will be here eraser. Say eraser. Okay, we have here eraser. Okay, but here we have rubber, write it as rubber. We know another word of rubber, it will be here eraser. I will write it here. Eraser. Eraser. Okay, eraser. Let's go to another one. A rubber, a sharpener, and a ruler. That is a whiteboard. So here we point that something is far. We say that is. So here we use that. So this used for what? As we told, this used for singular near. This I would like to know. This used for singular near, and that used for what? Singular for, and that used for what? For singular for. Okay, you must know this. So when we ask about when we point something is near, I say this. When I point to something is far, I say that is. Okay. Here is singular far and here is singular near. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Oh, sorry, the rest of the unit. That is whiteboard. What is this? It's computer. This is Ron, my rabbit. This is Ron, my rabbit. Hey. Okay. Here is lesson. What is this? As we know here, whiteboard, sharpener, pencil case, computer, ruler. I think all of us know this. What is this? It's what? Is it what? What is this? What is, sorry, what is that? Not this. What is that? So I mentioned something is far. I think what? It's a whiteboard. Okay. Let's know the numbers here. From I think in grade 1, we learn until 10. Then here in this year, we continue from 11 till the end. There is 11 written like this, 11, 12, 11 is in number and here is in letters. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go to this story, the grasshopper and the ants. So here is in this topic, we want to know how to count. Okay, look at the ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have what? 10 ants. Here is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here is 15 ants. Here is 10, and here is 5. So 10, 10, 10, here is 10, here is 10, and here is 5. So when we adding 10 plus 5, it will be what? It will be here 15. Okay, this is mathematics. Okay, I know you say, Miss Iman, you are in English lesson, not in mathematics lesson, but I do this because we have here something related to mathematics, so I can, I want to explain to you. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here is, it will be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 ants. Here we have 20 ants. So here we have 20 ants. Here is, I will count it again for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here we have what? We have 20 ants. The ants are happy, but I'm hungry. Please come in. Here is we have, there are 10 ants. As we know here, 10 ants. So I count it and then say yes or no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be yes or no? Yes, it will be yes. It's hungry? Yes, it's hungry here. They are sad? No, it's not sad, happy. No. Here is 20 and 11. Which 20 here? 20, this is 20. So I select this one by this one, 20. By 11, which 11 here? This is 11. Okay, let's continue the rest of our lesson. Let's play here. Say the new words. Here we have the new words that we learned here. We learned some of them during the lesson. It will be here: books, pencils, pens, ruler, wrappers, rulers, computers, desks. Here we say we can, I would like to have to concentrate with me in these nouns. What of these nouns is the special by adding s to it, okay? Because it's plural, it's more than one, like what? Desks, like computers, like rulers, like wrappers, pens, pencils, books. Show me your pencil. Show me your pencil. What are these? They are computer. They are books. What are those? What are those? What are those? They are books. Okay. So I would like to make explain this and that. Okay. In this unit, I would like to explain this. We use this for what? We use this used expressing what? This used for what? For singular near. This used for singular near. When we talk about singular near, I use this. Okay. Singular near. Have here singular near. Okay. Here is singular near. We say this is my book. For example, I say this is my book. So the book is near from me, and say this is my book. This is my book. And this is called singular near. And this is called singular near. Singular near. Singular near. Singular near. Okay, singular near. Okay. Here is called singular near. Okay, this is the first one. The next one. So the plural of this, it will be what? Can remind me? These. Okay, when we talk about something is plural but near. But near from it will be here plural near. This here plural near. It's called plural near. Plural near. Okay, plural near. Okay. Something is plural, so say plural near. We use plural near. So here we use this for singular near, like this. This is my book. So the book is near from me, and I point to the book and say this is my book. When we talk about plural near, I say these. We say these are desks, or these are. We say these are desks, or these are desks. For example, these are desks. Okay, so the desk is near from me, but plural. I use what? I use these. Here is this. Let's go to another one here. That. I use that. That for what? I use that for what? For here is used for singular, but not near, far. Singular, far. Singular, far. Okay. When we say that is singular far, singular but far from me. Okay, I say that is a chair, for example. That is a chair. So that chair is far from me, and I said that is a chair. I pointed to the chair and say that is a chair. Okay, let's go to plural far. It will be here those, used for what? Used, as we know, used for plural far. Okay, used for plural far. Here is plural far. Use it for plural far. You say those are we say those are books. When you say those are books, the books is far from me, and plural, and say those are books. Those are books. Okay, those are books. Okay, so here here we ran. This is for singular near. We use this for singular near. We say this is my book. Okay, so the book is near from me, and I say this is my book. These used for what? For plural near. When we say these are desks. So we can go to another one here, which is that is singular far. We say that is a chair, and those for plural far, we say those are books. This is the difference between this and this, that, and those. Okay, this is so here I explained the rule of this topic. Okay, let's go to another to continue the rest of our unit here. Okay, the unit is short, so I can end from it in this video. Okay, here is purple, pink, and mix. Here is when we mix two colors together, we can have another color. We have when we mix, for example, red and yellow to be here. Here we have orange color. Okay, we mix red and yellow, it will be here orange. Okay. Here is the story. Let's go to the story. Whitey. The story is about Whitey Arabic. Okay, let's read it together. Okay. Hello, I'm praying. What's your name? Hi, my name's Ahmad. What's that? So here that used for what? To ask about, to mention, to point about what something is far from me. That it's my rabbit. It's my rabbit Whitey. So he introduced the rabbit Whitey. This rabbit isn't white. It's brown. This rabbit here is the rabbit is not white. It's what the rabbit is what? Brown. What color is it? Here is Prayer, Ahmad, and Whitey. This is the characters of the story. Come here, Whitey. See, my rabbit is white. Yeah. So here we wash it by the water, so become what? Become white. Yeah, it's white. Yes, it is. So here is the value of the moral of this story. It will be what? Take care of your pet. This is the project. I will leave it to you. Here we have some vocab. Let's learn it together. Let's read it together. Here is apple, bike, cat, dog, egg, fish. Apple, bike, cat, dog, egg, and fish. Here we have girl, hat, ink, jam, kite, lemon, moon. Nose, olive, pencil, toilet, rabbit, star, and table. Umbrella, veil, window, books, yellow, and zebra. Okay, this is all. Here we say, here we have missing letters. I answer two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. You can keep the vocab and answer this question. It will be here lemon. Here it will be what? It will be here hat. It will be here rabbit. It will be here apple. Okay, I will leave the rest. Can keep the vocab and answer the question by yourself. Let's go to the another question here. Here is we have duck. Which one is duck? This one. Fish. Which one is fish here? This one. Pencil. I'm not using my pencil. Are clever pupils. Zebra. Here is zebra. Okay, are clever pupils. Here is we have a puzzle that can collect the letters to make a word. Here is girl. Here is what? Here is bike. Written like this, bike. And I will say this by this. Here is cat. It will be here cat. And the last one, it will be here. So it's not here, girl. I will write it. Bike, cat, and kite. Cat and kite. So here we have, I will repeat and repeat after me. Girl, bike, cat, and kite. Let's go continue the rest of this unit to end from it from this unit today. Here we have, what if this is what is pencil case? So I put here pencil case. It's a pencil case. A pencil. Pencil. Here is pencil case. Here is what? Here is a rubber. Here is a rubber. Here is what if that is computer? Is a computer. The last one to be here. What if that? It's what? It's pencil. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. What are those? So here I ask about something is far from me, but plural, we say they are pencils. Okay. Here, let's read this text together. I'm Omar. This is my classroom. Look at my desk. It's green and yellow. That is my pencil case. It's red. That is my teacher, Mr. Rashid. Mr. Rashid. Here is we have Omar is in the classroom. As Omar in the classroom, yes. The desk is yellow, is green and blue. No, it's not green and blue. It will be green and yellow. So the answer, it will be no. The pencil case is red. The pencil case, where is what's the color of the pencil case? Let's note here in this. Yes, it's red. So I select yes. Mr. Rashid is a teacher. Yes, Mr. Rashid is a teacher. So I select this one. Let's go to our revise to make a brief about what we took in this video. In this video, we have some vocab. Let's learn it together. Here is cutter, sharpener, school, books, spill, pencils, open your book, pins, close your book, rubbers, point, rulers, something, computers, new, desks, whiteboard, purple, computer, pink, ruler, mix, pencil case. Here we know the numbers and know how to write it in numbers and in letters. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We know some vocab and the phonics of this vocab. Let's read it together to remember each other with it. Here is girl, hat, ink, jam, kite, lemon, moon, nose, olive, pencil, willet, rabbit, star, and table, umbrella, vein, window, books, yellow, and zebra. In this unit, we have some structures that we know it. We know we know some structures in grammar that we must know it. We know when we ask about the name, what we say when ask about your name. I say, what's your name? We have two answers when we're answering about my name. Sometimes I say anyone. So we say, so when someone saying what's your name, I say, here is I reply as myself as Iman. So I say I'm Iman, or my name is Iman. Okay, anyone saying like here is saying I'm Slim, or my name is Slim. Where do you live? I live in Qatar. How old are you? So here I ask how old are you. Ask about what? I ask about age. And as we told you before, that we must write, it's important to write the letter, the age in letter, not in numbers. Okay, like this: 7 years old, or 10 years old, or any age. Okay, anyone write your age here. Spell your name. So I spell your name. I write the name I like the letters of my name like this. When we say here Selim, here is Iman, for example. Okay, I write it like this. Okay, and so on. Okay? Everyone write as you name in separated letters. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. The rest of the items that we took it here in this unit. Here is we use there is for singular and there are for plural. We use what is this and what is that, and I explained on the board. This used for singular near, that used for singular far, this used for plural near, and those for plural far. And I explained in the board, and think it's easy. When you say what is this, so I ask about something singular from singular and near from me. Like we say it's a book. When I point to something is far from me but singular, I say it's a computer. When I talk about something plural but near from me, I say what are these? They are books. When I mention something is plural but far from me, we say what are those? So I mentioned something plural and far from me, and we say here those. What are those? They are rubbers, or they are rulers, or they are desks. Okay. I answer some of this. I answer some of this, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is what is this? So so I mentioned I point to something is near. This is far. So I put what this or that. It will be here that. This is something of near. It will be here this. This is the far. So I put here plural but far. Here is singular but near. It will be here what is this? This here. Okay. And I answer one of them. I answered as some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have computer. Which one is computer here? I select this one by this one. Whiteboard, this one by this one. A ruler, this one by this one. Desk, it's a desk. So this one by this one. Pencil, this one by this one. Here is the numbers. I will leave this to count it and answer the question by yourself. Okay. I leave this to do it by yourself as well. Now we know the lesson, and we learn some of structures and some of words, and learn how to answer the questions related to this unit. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as well. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.